carts. Welcome to CSI, ma'am.
Is the single?
Please take a cart and enjoy your shopping experience.
Are you still single?
Let me take a look here. Nope, I don't think I am. I'm off the market. Sorry, ma'am. Carry on. We are actually here for a purpose today. Not like other times we just come in here and pick stuff off the shelf and to spend for no reason. There she goes. Okay, well, let me see what else they have here. We'll catch up with her in a moment. So, we were in here making a video here not too long ago, but we'll do it again. Just kind of give a little update. Little update on what's going on here. Strawberries. I like those strawberry smoothies we make at the house. They're really good. We have strawberries. We still have strawberries? No more, then. Alright, I'm gonna pause this right here because this usually takes us time here. Okay, strawberry selection was a success. Now we are into garlic. Usually I come over here to see if there's anything worth picking up. This is good. Sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. That's about like pretty much the only barbecue sauce they have in this whole store. Probably the whole damn town, actually. But I've got so much. I brought a bunch of Sweet Baby Ray's over from the US. I still got it stocked up in the kitchen there, so. No shortage of pork. Pork and chicken everywhere. Here you have your dry fish. Smells good. Okay, the CSI journey continues. That's what we got so far. Gotta get some evaporated milk. I think, but I'm not sure, she's gonna be making some cheesecake today or tomorrow, which I'm very excited about. I love it. Love blueberry cheesecake. Any kind of cheesecake. We good? Okay. All right, I think we're almost done here. I hope. Just gotta grab a couple unhealthy items, candy bars and soda drinks and all that good stuff. Finagle my way through. Oh, she was right behind me. Oh, goodness. Oh boy, we're still here. Kind of coming down towards the end of the store. The far side. So you have the grocery store section, and then you have the hardware section over there. Health and beauty. Oh, we got armed guards here today. I wonder what that's all about. I've never seen that inside the CSI. Crazy. Oh, I think they're emptying out the ATM. Okay, I get it. So all these people in front of us, or in front of me, are in queue, waiting to cash out. Hey guys, how's it going?
It's alright, sir. It's alright.
All right, cool.
Alright.
Everybody's talking smack today. Well, look who I found. So anyway, CSI has a hardware section. Let me see. They have hardware section, grocery store, Goldilocks Bakery, Shakey's, pizza, McDonald's, And clothing area, Christmas decorations, Christmas supplies, clothing area all throughout here. This is kind of like when you first come in, entrance area. You walk straight in and you got your clothing, Christmas deco, stationery stuff, office supplies. Way in back you have your appliances and furniture. We bought a lot of stuff here in the past. And up front you have your pharmacies, optical shop. Yeah. Have your cable TV internet kiosk over here, USA Cable Internet. That's who we do our that's our internet service provider. So anyways, let's see where the wife is at, and then we're going to be in one of these lines up here waiting. So we're not going to drag you along for that one. That's going to be a long, arduous wait to get out of here. And it's just coming up on noon, so hopefully we can make it out of here early enough to go grab something to eat. Anyways, once again, we'll call this one good. Yeah, CSI grocery shopping, exciting stuff. Love it. So I'm in the produce section. Take it easy, guys. We'll talk to you soon, and thanks for joining us once again. Find the off button. See you next time. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.